Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the Canva app to earn real money. Yes, straight from your phone or laptop. I will walk you through 5 legit ways you can start making money with Canva. Even if you are a total beginner, let's get into it. You can use Canva to create logos, flyers, social media posts, business cards, and more for clients. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are packed with people looking for affordable designs. Here's how to start. Create a few design sample, then set up a gig or profile on freelance platforms. Start small with low prices, get reviews, then raise your rates as you grow. Even better, use Canvas template to work faster and still deliver high quality results. Way number 2 is sell digital products on Etsy or Gumroad. Think planner, Instagram templates, wedding invitations, resumes, and you can design all of that on Canva. Once you have made a product, save it as a PDF or PNG, list it for sale on Etsy or Gumroad. Promote it to Pinterest or TikTok to get traffic. The best part, you only have to make the product once. You can sell it over again. Next way is become a social media manager. Small businesses are constantly looking for people to manage their Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok accounts. Canva makes it easy to create branded content, schedule posts, or maintain a consistent aesthetic. Offer to create a month's worth of posts using Canvas templates and brand kits. Charge by the post by the package. Next way is a start print on demand shop. Use Canva to design t-shirt, mugs, phone cases, and more. Then connect with platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring. All you do is upload your designs. The site handle the printing, shipping, and payments. Canva even the mock-up templates you can use to showcase your product. Next way is design and sell educational content. Use Canva to create ebooks, digital guides, or slide decks for online courses. Then sell them on platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, or even your own website. People are always looking to learn, whether it's productivity tips, meal plans, or social media strategies. If you know something valuable, turn it into a digital product. And that's it. The ways I to earn money using the Canva app. Whether you are freelancing, selling products, or building your own brand, Canva gives you the tools to get started today. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money making tips, and let me know in the comments which method you are going to try first. See you in the next one.